Shannon with Cruising Carefree, and I wanted to talk to you about some of our projects that we're going to be working on this summer. One of them is going to be carpet install. So this video is going to be part one of part two. So we bought our boat in 2019, and it was a 2017 boat, and it had been through shows and had some wear and tear and whatnot, but so we inherited the carpets. The carpets were in okay condition. However, the color was not conducive to active lifestyle. So here we have this beautiful, very light beige carpet, and wasn't the greatest for dogs and people coming in and out. And even though I do have a no shoe policy, sometimes people wear the shoes on board and they've gotten dirty, and I shampoo them twice a year, and no matter what, it just not the greatest carpet. It's cheap to begin with. Backing is terrible, would flake off, just awful. Anyway, it was hard to find a company in Washington that did the carpet for boating that did this binding on the side of the carpet. So my husband looked all around, couldn't find anybody. So we found somebody in Arizona, brought our carpets back, brought them all for the pattern, made a pattern for our steps. I did that with poster board, and we're going to be installing those on the steps. And we have a grommet maker that we bought from the company Palacios in Scottsdale that made our carpets. So I want to show you the new carpet. It's really nice, beautiful carpet. It is a like gray, black, beige color, has multicolors to it, but look how thick that is. Thick, luscious. They put a beautiful backing on it that's not going to pill. We did not have them install the grommets because what we noticed on our boat, and it could just be from shampooing them or when they originally made them, the grommets, it would like struggle trying to get them snapped down, and I have a hard enough time with my arm to get them to snap down. So we are going to do it ourselves, and we have a little machine that we bought from them. It looks like this. So this is a grommet toolkit, and it comes with this with like a puncher and then a whole bunch of different sizes. So that's going to be a project when we get back to Washington, which we start driving back in a week. So we will be on our boat in a week, so we'll be able to give you a lot more content and show you the boat, do a tour, and then we'll show you the install and what it looks like after we get all this beautiful carpet down. They did a great job of putting the binding on it. A little bit different than the thread method that was on there previously, and they used like a webbing, but it turned out beautiful, and we are just like so excited to put it in and see what it looks like on the boat. Hope you enjoyed this video. This is a part one of part two. So subscribe, follow, and you can see our install in a couple weeks from now. See you on the water.